Hey everyone, so in this episode with Consult with Celia, we are going to optimize a Google My Business listing. Now, this is actually my business listing that I haven't touched really since I created it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to log in to Google My Business, and that's kind of what you see here. Now, the thing that I did not include when I initially set this up was really under the services that we offer, just the descriptions. So that's what we're going to add here. Now, I went ahead and I typed up what I wanted to include for local SEO services, general SEO services, content development, Google AdWords and pay-per-click management, social media marketing, and so on. And so just to kind of start again, here we are at the default, the home, kind of the home dashboard for Google My Business. And then on the left side, we're going to scroll down to info. From info, I'm keeping a lot of the information the same, except for down at services, which is located underneath products. I'm going to click here, and I already have a section for SEO or search engine optimization. I'm just going to go to the content that I typed up, copy that, paste it here. And there is a word limit of 300. And so I'm just going to remove the last sentence and apply. And there we go. So I'm going to do the same thing for content development and copywriting. Copy, paste. Here we go for Google AdWords and pay-per-click. So copy, paste. Don't have anything for that really. Local SEO services. Here we go. It's not a lot of space to include our information. Now, just so I don't confuse myself. Okay. Social media marketing and social media management. Include that. Okay, so we're going to add a new one. Five. Get our content ready. Now, I never leave a price or list a price because every client's needs are different. So I have clients with a minimum management budget of $500 per month, and that is, we plan the content out in the month, so it takes X amount of hours, and then we also write all the copy, design all the graphics, and so on. And then we post them. So we schedule them out. And, that's different from the traditional, once a day, take a photo. We also plan content for stories, And then with social media management, if you already have an existing brand, we basically contribute to that. So those are the two different things. With SEO, again, that is going to be, it's going to vary by client. Some clients just want to rank nationally for their search terms. And then we have some clients that want to rank locally. Like they only have 2 locations in Broward and Dade County, and they're looking to rank in their immediate markets. So we do everything from market analysis to creating a location silo through content development, acquiring quality backlinks, and so on. So those are the different services. So I never list a price because everybody's needs are different. So we customize the plan for whatever a client needs. And that's it. Now, it'll take a little while, a couple days before Google updates that information. I did also want to mention that when I go and I'm going to post this video, I've already optimized my photo, which is over here, my thumbnail, and I'll have a page ready to go on, here we go, the website. If you have any questions about how I did this, there will be a guide that I provide here on the website. So it's really just general to start with. I can also teach you how to plan your content for Google My Business. Make sure that you're optimizing your photos and really build it so that it performs well. And that's it. So we're good to go. If you have any questions, you can comment below or send me an email at consultwithcelia.com.